Mcbrizzo. Chakuanuleka simene sokwa mako Brizzo on his bars kusibweresa pa mako Sana, fresh is a tonner. Hip up on my back, na inyamula pasana. Diga yamba guessing the level, ya isanana. Not politicking, cause to me that's a no-no. Listen, grab a pen and paper and I'm giving you the lessons. I've been feeling blessed, I ain't gotta give you reasons. Kwachena kwa kalepa no dikwesa my bars. Chota ali ese osagawa so my buns. Inali before the die ponyela pa hands. Killed the whole game, did it with my bare hands. For this platform I gave a big shout out to Cotton on. Scary and I let them know return of the animal. Electrify the room and I did it with no terminal. My feet too big, man, you can't fit it issues. Mind my own land, cause we all got some issues. Every day is precious, I don't ever wanna misuse. And I refuse to creed in this bars I speak, yeah, you heard it. Legendary level, RIP to Vic Marley. Matafale, Mafunyeta, Mate, Manje, I told you. And Wally Chris, your memory remains cause your music lives on. I came in this booth bopping watch Yalume. That's what they say when they talking to me. Vada osa topa kungo pusha. Opanga zanzake ndiwo pusa. Flow ya Mcbrizzo ndiyo lusa. Is this is a tunduma and this a user 2 minutes in and I'm still rapping continuous. Flow so good, make the struggle look glamorous. And glamour-wise, I play with his words and let you memorize. If you got the vision, then you sit beyond the naked eyes. Hunger, disease, envy. Things so weird they have to put him in an anthem. Or they done the unbeaten, we ain't even gotta count them. Deep on ability, we standing on the mountain. Fun up a Benji, I'm as a Sanduka captain. To Anderson the truth, I'm dope and here's the proof. Yeah, left the whole game just to come right back. This time I won't stop till I grab that back. I'm aiming for my gun, so you better take cover. Before your year started, man, it's already over. The best right now, you know there ain't no other. Please, Lord, open up my eyes that I see more clearly. Had to flee the devil, he was trying to get near me. Yeah.